Hello everyone, welcome back to our new video. In this video, I will give you more information about the top 4 best spy voice recorders that are available on the market. Actually, I try to make popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinion and more. If you need more information about these products, please check the link description section below. Don't forget subscribe this channel for view future videos. Let's start this videos. Starting at number 4, we have HuBotawin Voice Recorder for lectures. The HuBotawin Voice Recorder is an excellent tool for capturing lectures, meetings, and interviews effortlessly. This portable audio recorder features voice activation, allowing it to start recording automatically when it detects sound. With its 16 GB storage capacity, you can store a substantial amount of recordings. This device functions as a reliable tape recorder, providing convenient playback options for reviewing your recordings. Whether you're in a lecture hall, a boardroom meeting, or conducting interviews, this recorder ensures clarity and ease in capturing important audio content. Its user-friendly design and portability make it a valuable companion for various recording needs. Moving on at number 3, we have Voice Recorder FYGLK Small Recording Device. The 64 GB Voice Recorder FYGLK is a compact yet powerful recording device designed for versatility. With an impressive 750 hours of recording capacity, it offers ample storage for lectures, interviews, meetings, and classes. Its sleek silver design combines functionality with style. This USB digital audio recorder ensures high-quality recordings, making it ideal for capturing clear and detailed audio in various settings. Whether you're attending lectures or conducting interviews, this device guarantees reliable performance. Its ease of use and generous storage capacity make it a valuable tool for anyone seeking a dependable recording solution for professional or educational purposes. At number 2, we have 64 GB Voice Recorder. The 64 GB Voice Recorder by Vormui is an advanced recording device perfect for capturing lectures, interviews, meetings, and classes. Boasting an extensive 750 hours of recording capacity and an impressive 50 hours of battery life, this gadget ensures prolonged and reliable use. Equipped with voice activation technology, this recorder intelligently starts recording when it detects sound, optimizing memory usage and convenience. Its high-quality audio recording capability ensures crystal-clear playback, making it an ideal tool for students, professionals, or researchers seeking a dependable audio recording solution. Compact and user-friendly, the Vormui voice-activated recorder is a valuable companion for anyone requiring a trustworthy and long-lasting recording device for various situations, promising efficiency and top-notch performance. And finally at number 1, Knight Premium Hidden Devices Detector. The Knight Premium Hidden Devices Detector is a state-of-the-art tool designed to detect hidden cameras, RF signals, and bugs effectively. This device serves as an advanced hidden camera finder and bug detector, equipped to identify GPS tracking devices and radio frequency signals used for spying. Its capability to detect hidden cameras and sweep for various signals ensures privacy and security in different environments. Ideal for both personal and professional use, this anti-spy detector offers peace of mind by efficiently identifying potential threats of surveillance. With its advanced technology and reliability, the Knight Premium Hidden Devices Detector stands as a valuable tool for safeguarding privacy against unauthorized monitoring or covert recording. Thank you for watching guys, I hope you like this video. If this video helped for you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question related this product, you can leave a comment down below. I hope back to you as soon as possible.